Mr. Nelson, my name is Hadley Price and I'm with PPM Solar, and I really do appreciate this interview with you here today. If you don't mind, just kind of give me an overview of why you went solar and what has been a part of your journey thus far.
Will do. So my name is Keith, and I just am a new resident here in North Florida. I built a home, and I thought if I'm going to build a home from the ground up, I would want to do some things that would give me an advantage. As I looked at the increasing prices of energy and the ever-increasing specific cost of electrical energy, I did some things to my build that tried to avoid some of that. One of them was I contacted PPM Solar, who were able to design and implement 22 panels onto my roof. And in the construction of that, I wasn't sure how that would play in or play out. And so what happened was, after the build was complete and I moved into the new home, albeit I made some errors, I started running my pool pump more continuous, and my air conditioner set a little lower than I should have. And I realized that my electric bill was averaging between $250 and $300 a month. Then PPM finally was able to connect the solar, because I had to do a connection through Duke Energy. And after that was completed and the solar power got connected, I began running diagnostics on my own cell phone, because I can actually have the Wi-Fi in-phase unit is attached to the solar power unit, so I can see in real time which units are producing how much power and how independent I am. After the first solid month that the solar was installed on my roof, my bill cut from $272 to $75. Now, I want to be clear, I was still running the pump full time and still running air conditioner at a lower point than I should. Since then, I have cut my pool pump back to 4 hours a day, and I have also included a higher temperature on my thermostat. After those two changes, I am maintaining between 65 and 80% independence every day that there is sunshine, and between 35 and 45% independence every day that I have full cloud cover. Everything runs in between, but the average has been 50% independence, including my months of poor energy control. Therefore, I'm expecting in the next month that I should see gains of another 10 to 15% on the average. And I have zero regrets running solar.
So did you receive more than one proposal, or did you just focus right in on working with Mark?
I did receive 3 different proposals, and PPM came in the clearest and the best. And also, I was able to evaluate what the future might hold a little better with PPM. They gave more clear views of what would fit on my roof, what my energy costs might be given my square footage, and then how the net metering would work, and so I chose to go that route.
What are your feelings about having gone with PPM Solar so far?
So PPM Solar has been an absolute joy to work with. I have zero regrets looking back. It is doing exactly what they said it would do, if not even outperforming it a little bit. Probably because of my location. It's a little more ideal, and I know results will vary from home to home, but they did not oversell it, and I appreciate that.
Great, thank you.